The Disk Defragmenter fixes fragmentation issues so that your hard drive runs smoothly. But if you're having trouble with it, here are a few things you can do to resolve the problem. Now, first on the list, you have to check if the Disk Defragmenter service is running properly. Now, you just have to open Services, scroll down to Optimize Drive Service, double-click on it, click on the drop-down menu, set a startup type to manual, and make sure that the service status is running. Now, if it is not, click Start to run it. But if that did not work, run the System File Checker tool. Do that by opening Command Prompt with admin rights, type in the following, then press Enter. Once the scan is completed, restart your computer and try running Disk Defragmenter again. Now, another method you can try to do is to run the Check Disk Scan utility. Do it by opening Command Prompt with admin rights, type in the following command, then press Enter. And those are the ways on how you can fix the Disk Defragmenter not working on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.